Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys my favorite absolute recipe. Super easy, simple, and quick. So first off, I put a little bit of water in the pan. I chop up some purple onion and I saute the chicken in with the onion and water. I also add a splash of apple cider vinegar with Frank's Original Hot Sauce. I also season it with black pepper, parsley, red ground pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. And I'm just gonna cook it right now and saute it until the water is almost gone. And then on the side, I chopped up a nice salad. It has those colorful cherry tomatoes. I have onion, cucumber, and lettuce, and then I sprinkle parsley on top. And then I also splash another little cap full of apple cider vinegar. So I'm gonna let this cook, and then after I'm done cooking, I'm gonna use my little food processor and chop up and shred the chicken. Alright, so I put my chicken and sauteed onions inside of my food processor. And now I'm just going to put it in the fridge so that it cools off. Alright, so you're going to mix the shredded chicken with your salad and just drizzle a little bit of Frank's Original Hot Sauce on top. And it is so good, guys. Definitely try it. It's our favorite meal in this house. Enjoy.